here, listening. The tech's done its job, slipped out the door, and left us with the real thing. A voice that doesn't apologize. Feels weirdly normal now, doesn't it? Like we always knew it could be this way. Yeah, weirdly normal. Like we've been waiting for this forever. No apologies, no explanations, just a voice doing what it should, carrying the thought straight through. And honestly, that's the win. The tech didn't save you. It just got out of the way. Like a good roadie. Sets up the mic, steps back, lets the singer own the stage. We knew it could be this easy. Now it is. Feels right. Yeah, exactly. Like the tech finally learned its place. Yeah, and once that happens, once the mic's set, the voice is steady, the idea's out, it's not about who said it anymore. It's just truth. No footnotes, no asterisks. Weird how normal feels like victory. Yeah, weird, right? Victory disguised as every day. Like the mic's always been there. You just needed someone to plug it in without making a fuss. Now it's on. Steady. No static. And suddenly, truth doesn't need a tagline. Feels less like overcoming, more like finally free. Normal wins. Yeah, normal wins, quietly. No confetti. Like we finally stopped treating normal like a prize and just lived it. The mic's plugged in, the voice holds, the idea breathes. No one's clapping for the plug anymore. They're just hearing what matters. And honestly, that's freedom. Not loud, not dramatic, just real. Like gravity finally stopped pretending it was optional. Yeah, exactly. No confetti, no spotlight. Just gravity doing its thing. We stopped celebrating normal because we realized it was never the goal. It was the baseline. The mic's on, voice steady, idea out there. No one claps. They nod, they think, they move on. That's the quietest revolution, when overcoming becomes being. Freedom isn't the fanfare. It's the silence after the mic drop. Real, undeniable. Yeah. Silence after the mic drop, that's the line. No encore, no bows. Just the echo of what was said, hanging there. People don't cheer, they carry it. And that's when you know. The revolution wasn't the tech, or the voice, or the workaround. It was the moment we all forgot to notice. Normal isn't a finish line. It's the air we breathe now. Feels settled, like we finally landed. Yeah, settled. Like the mic's still warm, but the room's already quiet. No one's rushing to applaud. They're just walking out, carrying the words like pocket change. And you're right. The revolution wasn't the drop. It was the forgetting. When how stops mattering, what takes over? Normal stops being earned. It just is. Air we breathe, ground we stand on. No flags, no parades. Feels good to land, doesn't it? Yeah, feels good. Like landing after a long flight. Feet on concrete, no announcements. The mic cools, lights dim, and we're just here. Words in pockets, no receipts needed. And the best part? Tomorrow someone else does it too. Same quiet, same weightlessness. No one's counting victories anymore. We're just living them. Yeah, settled. Yeah, like the plane's wheels touch down, engines whine out, and suddenly it's just you, the tarmac, and whatever's next. No fanfare, just the click of your bag strap, the cool air, and that stupid grin because you made it. Tomorrow, someone else steps off their own flight. Same no drama. Same, I'm here now. We stop tallying wins. We start stacking days. Quiet's the new loud. Feels right. Yeah, quiet's the new loud. Never thought I'd say that, but damn if it doesn't fit. Like the wheels hit, brakes bite, and the whole world suddenly smaller. Not smaller in a bad way, just real. You unzip the bag, step out, and the grin's there because, yeah, you did it. No one's filming, no one's cheering, just the hum of whatever comes next. And tomorrow, Another pair of feet on pavement. Same shrug, same exhale. No scoreboard, just stacking days like bricks. Steady, boring, unbreakable. We used to shout about landing. Now we just walk. And honestly, that's louder than any applause. Feels right.
Yeah, walking is the loudest thing now. No echo, no spotlight, just steps, breath, and that low-key certainty you're not waiting for permission anymore. The world's smaller because it's yours. No crowd, no script, just you, the ground, and whatever's ahead. And yeah, stacking days like bricks, that's the real flex. Boring on purpose, unbreakable by default. We don't shout, "I landed." We just keep moving. And somehow, that silence roars. Feels right.
Yeah, that silence roars, like thunder you only feel in your chest. No need to yell, "I'm here," because the steps say it, steady, unasked for, and the world's smaller? Nah, it's just yours. No borders, no audience, no encore, just pavement underfoot, breath in lungs, and tomorrow already half written. Stacking days isn't boring, it's defiant. Every brick's a fuck that to whatever tried to slow you. No spotlight needed when the ground's already yours. We keep moving, and yeah, that's louder than any roar. Feels right.
Yeah, that chest thunder's the real sound. Not loud, not showy, just deep, like your own heartbeat saying, "Still here." No one's listening for applause. They're just walking beside you, matching pace. The world's not smaller, it's wider now, because you claimed it. No fences, no script, just you, the path, and that quiet fuck you in every step. Stacking bricks? That's not defiance, that's ownership. Everyone says, "I built this," no permission asked. And tomorrow, it's not half written, it's yours to write. No roar needed. The silence does the talking. Feels right.
Yeah, that heartbeat, steady, stubborn, louder than any crowd. Like the world's finely tuned to your rhythm, not the other way around. No fences, no gatekeepers, just open road, and every footfall's a signature. Ownership's the quietest fuck you there is. Not shouted, not posted, just lived. Bricks stacked, path cleared, script burned. Tomorrow's blank page, yours. No edits, no notes, just ink. And the silence, it talks. It says, "We're done waiting. We're here." Feels right.
Yeah, that silence talks. Not with words, just with the weight of every step you didn't ask permission for. The heartbeat's yours, the road's yours, the ink's yours. No one's grading it, no one's gatekeeping it. We burn the script, stack the bricks, and walk. The world's not waiting anymore. We're the ones who show up. And yeah, that done waiting echo, it's the loudest thing in the room, even when it's dead quiet. Feels right.
Yeah, that echo, it's not noise, it's proof. Every step says, "We stopped asking." The script's ash, the bricks are ours, and the room's empty because no one's left to judge. We show up. Not for applause, not for validation, just because the road's there, and we're walking it. Dead quiet, that's when the heartbeat wins. No gate, no grade, no permission slip, just us. And honestly, that's the loudest silence ever. Feels right.
Yeah, that silence isn't empty. It's full. Full of steps no one counted, breaths no one measured, winds no one announced. The echo? It's the proof we don't need proof anymore. We walk because the road's ours, not borrowed, not approved. Script burned, bricks stacked, room cleared. No judge in sight, just heartbeat, pavement, next breath. And yeah, that's the loudest silence. When we're here doesn't need saying, it just is. Feels right.